Cinnamon. Hi, Daisy. I need to put cream on her ear. Hi, Cinnamon. Oh, Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Oh, Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Bit extra food for them. Hi, Mom. Here you go, Mom. Hi, Teddy. Oh, Teddy bear. Honey bunny. Bridget is one of our youngest rescue cats. These are outdoor rescue cats. We need to spray her very soon. She had an allergic reaction to fleas. That's why her fur is like that. We've given her defleeing meds, so you can see her fur is starting to grow back, which is really good. Teddy, say hi. Oh, looks like he's got a cold. I'll give him antibiotics. Yes, I will. Hi, Murph. Murph is a talking cat. Hi. Say hi. She's saying hi. Liana just came. Lilia. Hi. Teddy. Oh, Cinnamon. This is after dinner cuddles. They all want pets after they eat. Where were you? Jesus, Peter Pan. Oh, Pippi. Candy can. Cinnamon is our oldest outdoor rescue cat. She is 11 to 12 years old. We're not sure because she wasn't born here at our rescue. So we think she's around 12. And we recently took her to the vet because she had an ingrowing nail. And we recorded it on our channel. Oh, Cinnamon. Candy. Oh, Candy. Hi, Murph. Say hi. She loves this talk. Yeah, Murph. Oh, Candy. Here. Cinnamon. She likes to slap the other cats, so I get worried when she's close to them. Yes, Murph. Oh. Murph loves giving love bites, so you need to be careful of that. Daisy. 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 Nope, nope, nope. Daisy. You can hear the car. It's okay, Murph. Murph, it's okay. Hey. You, Murph, it's okay. You can... Just a car. Lady Spence has a cut behind her ear, but we have been putting medication, antibiotics cream, so it doesn't get infected. And we sterilize it. Oh, Cinnamon. Nope, Cinnamon. Oh, she's so Murph. It's okay, Murph. 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 Yeah, Murph, hi. Say hi to everyone. You're so chilling. Hey, Lady Spence. Oh, Lady Spence. Oh, Honey Bunny's come for cuddles. Hi, Honey Bunny. So, Mama Candy Can is mother to Honey Bunny, Riri, Liana, and a lot of other cats, which didn't come to eat right now. Oh, and Daisy down there. You need meds. Where do you keep going getting injured? Oh, you need to be careful, Lady Spence. Candy can. Hi. Imani and her dogs. That's a nice name. We're good. They're having their dinner. How are you? Oh, and Grandma Cinnamon's here waiting for pets. Oh. Hi, Leah. Liana. Oh, that's so sweet. Give your dogs pets from us too. Oh, yeah, they've got beef. Leah, she's not going to do anything. This is Jasmine. This is Cinnamon, our oldest rescue cat. Outdoor rescue cat, because we've got another rescue cat at home. This is Mama Candy Can. This is Liana, daughter of Mama Candy Can. No, don't. She always hits the other cats. I think she gets a bit defensive because she's older and she gets worried. What? Oh, hi Murph. That's Murph. Liana. It's not doing anything. Oh. Oh, Murph. Who's growling? Murph is sisters and was born with Teddy. You can see they do look alike. Hi, Jazz Jazz. Oh, Jazz Jazz. Oh. Crunchy. Crunchy, crunchy. Murph. is a new cat, and he does not look in a good shape. I wonder if I can get close. Come, come. No, Murph. Murph, you stay here. Hey. Hey. Oh, come, come, come. Come, come. Oh, now the rest are gonna go. You ate food. Oh, Leah, you had food. Come on. Come. Oh God, I think he's missing an eye. Oh. No, no, no. Liana, no. Liana, no. Oh, I'm sorry, little guy. Come on, guys. They're always trying to... Oh. Come on, guys. Let's give him some space. I'll put some more food here so just surrounding it. Hey. Let me see if I can go around and just put some over here. Hopefully it can eat something. Yeah, it's going to the food. That's great. I've got to think of a way to get close and maybe try and put him in a cage. I can see he's got scratch marks behind the ears, and it looks like he's missing an eye. He definitely needs to go to the vet. Liana. 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 Oof. Liana, one minute, I'll put the phone. Yes, yes. I'll leave the phone down so I can go and see what I can do. I'll leave it here for you guys. I couldn't catch him. I tried to lure the other cats away so that he could eat at least. But I'm sure he'll come back. Maybe Spence wants cuddle. That's the hard thing about rescuing cats sometimes. They get very scared naturally because you don't know what they went through. Like most of these cats have been scared. But they do come back because they know that there's food and water. So I do believe and I hope that that cat will come back. Yeah, the cat that was eating there was him, and then Murph came and looked at the camera and he left. I was waiting here until he finished eating, but Murph scared him. Murph! I need to go and get cream. Antibiotics cream for this little guy and for Teddy. Oh. Lily, this is Lily. Oh. She wants pets only when she's by herself. She doesn't like pets when there's other cats around. Hi, Lily. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I know it's really difficult for them to actually, you winning their trust takes a while. I really hope you can catch your stray cat. Oh, Lily. Sloopy. I put for more food for the cats downstairs. That's where we have their sleeping zone as well, and beds. And that's where most of them are. Murph. That's why there's no cats here now. I went and put the rest of the food in their bowls downstairs. Lily is 6 years old. She was born in April, so it was her birthday. And Mama Candy is her mommy. Lily was born downstairs in the sleeping area. We were actually there during her birth. It was very beautiful. Murph. Murph. She's a little rascal. Oh, Honey Bunny is also her sibling, but from a different birth. Hi, Honey Bunny. Bunny. Hey, Bunny, Honey Bunny, Honey Bunny. Honey. Yeah, Lily doesn't like socializing much. Honey Bunny is a very sociable cat. Like she chills with all the cats, but my Lily likes to just chill by herself. Honey Bunny. Oh, Honey Bunny. You're so beautiful, so cute. Yeah. Come up, come up, come up, come up. Murph making her way. Hi, Murph. Murph? She always gets distracted. I think she can hear the cats downstairs munching, so she's like, let me go and see. They're all coming for Carlos. Daisy. Daisy is a very unsociable cat. She likes humans, but she does not like cats. So if I go to her, they're gonna follow, and she's gonna hit them. So I'm just gonna attempt to give her some love. Daisy. Oh, Daisy. She's Lily's sister from the same birth, but she doesn't like any other cats. Yep, there she's growling. Okay, how lady. You can see some of the cats are still scared. But they come every day for their food, and we manage to take them to the vet when we can. Lily. Hmm? If you guys like our videos and our live content, I'm gonna try and do it more often. Please like and subscribe if you want to stay updated with our lives. It would mean a lot and it would really help our shelter. And thank you for everyone who's watching and tuned in. I'll try and do more lives more often. Please like and subscribe to stay updated with our videos, and it really helps our shelter. And thank you to everyone that's watching and tuned in. It means a lot. Lily. Oh, Lily. I hope you can catch your stray cat. I know how difficult it is. Hi, Pee. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Pee. Oh my god. I need to bring wipes and clean him. Lily, I know he's dirty. Lily. Oh. Oh, Pee. Oh. How did you get that so dirty? His name is Peter Pan, but we call it Pee Pee. And he's really playful. Oh. He loves his pets. Oh, we got some late snackers. Hey, baby. He's also one of our youngest rescues. His mummy is one of the cats that we need to spray, which is very difficult to put in a cage. He's 1.5 years old, and he also needs to be sprayed now, so they won't get lost chasing unsprayed cats. Hmm. Lily. Thank you to everyone who's been watching and commented. Subscribe to our channel if you can to stay updated with all our cute cat shelter moments. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.